Boy, this is a really great sound. It's what cameras should sound like, and there's nothing better than the sound of a Nikon f-shutter. Clunk.
Rochester, New York in 1964 was the Silicon Valley of its era.
We had three major corporations here, Xerox, Bausch & Lomb, and Kodak. Rochester was the image capital of the world.
It's not New York, it's not LA, it's not Chicago. Here it is, hidden is, the crown jewel of photography in every sense of the word.
I was taking pictures without using photographic film in Eastman Kodak Company in 1976. Now, this is not a way to get popular.
We all knew digital was coming, like you got punched in the gut.
That really keeps this idea of photography alive in Rochester too, because there's so many photographers. I want to see what they can take away from that environment. Show me who you are.
I do want to raise an awareness. I want someone to look at whoever my subject is and think, wow, I could be this person's friend.
I'm going to start shooting today with a 10mm lens, which is good for girly photography because it makes boobs look bigger and legs look longer.
Look, I'm a news photographer. If somebody told me today I was going to go back to shooting film, I'd throw my cameras in the lake and become a plumber. Rochester can adapt, Rochester can change. Look at our stories, look at our pictures, look at our videos. I mean, this town loves photography.